Today, you are gonna learn, by request,
Gold Tonic.
Okay. I'm gonna show you how to make this Gold Tonic. Okay. It all starts with a lemon. Take some hot water and pour it into a nice tall glass for yourself. And you can make about however much water you think you need for the morning. If you drank the night before, add some more. And you can just keep refilling the glass as many times as you want to get the desired hydration. Hydration, so important. If you're on the go, you can get a nice, huge, jar. Add your water in there with your tonic and go about your day. I always suggest giving yourself like a 2-hour morning to prepare for everything. So what you're gonna need for this Gold Tonic is 1 lemon. You're also going to need apple cider vinegar. Yep. Now these. Cayenne. Spicy. Spice up your life. Cayenne is good for circulation. If you need to know each element and why they're so important for your morning in your water, don't question me, just do it, try it for 21 days and you will see a difference in your hydration, in your energy level in the morning. I notice right away when I do it in the morning, very high energy level. I don't crave really heavy foods as much as I would if I didn't drink this tonic. So it's really great for a nice, energetic morning. Cayenne, also another C one, cinnamon. Very good for cleaning out anything that isn't good, acne, bacteria, any kind of yuck. Very nice, mild, astringent. It also adds a really nice flavor with the apple cider vinegar. Which reminds me, honey. Try to get local organic honey. A lot of honey with a huge high demand and huge trends of honey. Honey is so healthy, everybody wanted honey, and now they're making honey that is mixed with sugar and other fillers. So make sure it's organic and local. It'll help with allergies, also antibacterial, antiviral, and it balances out the apple cider vinegar. So put just as much honey as apple cider vinegar to try and balance that out and neutralize the apple cider vinegar flavor. Next, we're gonna need, let's see, lemon, hot water, cayenne, cinnamon, honey, apple cider vinegar, coconut oil. Okay, you want a spoonful of coconut oil in this drink. It's gonna hydrate your lips, so your lips are nice and hydrated throughout the day. You can even take some of this tonic if you're in a hurry and apply it to the highlight areas, dry areas, lips, here, eyelashes, and eyebrows, and even hair. not only hydrate your lips, but get that oil throughout your body, oiling the organs so that they can do stuff like this. Okay? Coconut oil. Let's see, what else? I was gonna say something, but then I started doing this. All right, let's just keep going. So you got your glass here. All right, so you should have about that much apple cider vinegar. You got your lemon in there. Squeeze your lemon and then toss it in there. So the apple cider vinegar and the lemon juice are like mingling. Then sprinkle in some cinnamon and cayenne, sprinkle that in. If you feel more drag in the morning and you're kind of like, oh, I need some blood circulation in my life, add more cayenne. If not, just add a pinch. It's really about doctoring yourself in this tonic to listen to your needs and be like, I think I need this much cayenne because I noticed the circulation in my hands and my feet are not as great, or I'm a smoker and I don't have a lot of circulation in my hands and feet, or I'm anemic, so I'm going to add some more cayenne. That's just one example. Add some honey. Okay, add a little lump of honey. You can make it sweeter or less sweet depending on what your preference is. If you don't like the taste of apple cider vinegar, if you're a cunt bitch, add more honey. Add some coconut oil or pumpkin seed oil, or both, your preference, and then add about that much hot water. So add about that much hot water. I like to use a chopstick, and I'll just take a chopstick and mix it really well. The better mixed it is, the easier it is to drink and just more pleasurable. You don't have like little cayenne lumps. You're also going to need turmeric. So add in like that much turmeric. Be generous with the turmeric. It's great for you. If you're not familiar with working with turmeric, if you get it on your hands or your skin or clothes or even the counter, it will stain. You're gonna add that much hot water and stir. And add all the other ingredients if I forgot any. And then you're gonna add this much water, cold water, and then that'll make it ready for you to drink. And that is Gold Tonic. I hope you enjoy this lesson.